Students, today we are going to learn about uniform and non-uniform motion, which you have already studied in your junior classes. Uniform motion. Uniform motion is a kind of motion in which an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Then the motion of that object is said to be in uniform motion. The graph of uniform motion is straight line passing through the origin. Now consider this figure. Here you can see the car covers a total distance of 16 meters in each 8 interval of time. Here you can see that in every 2 seconds the car is covering a equal distance of 4 meters. So in every 2 seconds the car is covering a equal distance of 4 meters, which means the car is moving with uniform motion. Now non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion is a kind of motion in which an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. Then the motion of that object is said to be in non-uniform motion. The graph of non-uniform motion is not a straight line, it is a curved line. So this graph is also an example of non-uniform motion, and this graph is also a kind of non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Now consider this example. Here the car is covering unequal distances in equal interval of time. Here you can see in first second it is covering 5 meters, in the next second it is covering 10 meters, again in the next second it is covering 15 meters. So from here it is clear that this car is in non-uniform motion because this car is covering unequal distances in equal interval of time. Now some examples of uniform and non-uniform motion. So for uniform motion, hour hand of a clock, a cooling fan running at a fixed speed, a vibrating spring in a swing motion, earth moving around the sun, these all are the examples of uniform motion. Examples of non-uniform motion. Generally, in our day-to-day life, we move with non-uniform motion. For example, a bus moving on a crowded road, a train approaching a station or leaving a station, a car moving on a hilly road, a person jogging on a road. So these all are the examples of non-uniform motion. So this is the difference between the two. I hope the uniform and non-uniform